Designed for use with Python no-spill clean and fill systems. Simplifies routine water changes and provides peace of mind. Ensures a hands-free, spill-free experience every single time. User-friendly design, virtually effortless to install and operate. Features ultra-durable high-density polyethylene construction. Designed for use with your no-spill clean and fill aquarium maintenance system, the Python hook delivers a hands-free, spill-free experience every time you refill your aquarium. It literally hooks onto your aquarium, whether framed or frameless, to ensure that every drop of return water ends up inside where it belongs, and not on your living room floor. The user-friendly Python hook is designed for effortless installation and use. When it's time to refill your aquarium, simply remove the gravel tube from your no-spill clean and fill and replace it with the Python hook. The internal threading ensures a perfect pairing, while the integrated O-ring provides a reliable, watertight seal. Designed to withstand the test of time, the Python hook features ultra-durable construction. This value-adding accessory is manufactured using only the highest quality, American-sourced materials, HDPE or high-density polyethylene. It is completely free of arsenic, BPA, and lead. Proudly made in the USA. Get yours today, you'll be hooked in no time. Top reviews from the United States. I love these things. I had one of these when I lived in U.S.A. and had 25 tanks. It was amazing for refilling tanks and not having to stand there holding the water. I moved and left this thing there for the people who purchased my big tank. I missed it greatly when I got settled and had to fill my 3 tanks I have now. So I bought another one. These things are great. I hook it up to my Python tubing and Python system to my sink, fill my tanks without having to stand there holding the tubing. I can easily stop the water by turning the shutoff knob, allowing me to move the hook without spilling any water or having to pinch the tubing to stop the water, which never works 100% for me anyway. Pinching the tubing usually results in a trickle still coming out. Overall, I think everyone should have one of these lol. They are heavy duty, last forever, super handy. Hopefully this review helped you. Have a wonderful day.